Hello, my name is Dan from TrackMate Racing. I'm going to show you the latest version 16.1 of the DragPro Racing program that works with our hardware for SOT cars, RC cars, or real cars. So I'm going to show you how to enter names and double elimination. So if you want to enter names, you can go to bracket, or you can go to racers and cars, go to bracket, create bracket. I'm going to enter a new name. The old way was clicking here and entering a name. And then you had to come over here and enter the car name. The easier way is to click on this editor here and just enter the name here, then a comma, then you can enter cars. If he has more than one car, just do another comma and enter the other car. And then you can enter another name here. And his cars. Click save. We see that we entered two cars. Two racers, three cars. Okay. Now here we can select who's going to be in the tournament, who's going to be in the bracket. One of the tips that we have here is you can actually sort by clicking on the column title. It will sort. Also, if I click on the bracket, it's kind of nice to see who's in it. So it puts everything at the top. And let's say Steve is going to be in there also. So I select him. He has one car. Now I'm going to create the bracket. We have, make sure everybody that's in it is checked off. We're going to create the bracket. Now this is a new screen that we didn't have before. Before you had to do the settings and the bracket setup. Now you're going to do the settings on here. The reason we did that is so that you can have several tournaments running at the same time and they each remember their own settings. So you're probably going to be using poultry with Dylan. You can rename it here. You can name it whatever you want. You can select the class. And here you can select the buyback method or double elimination. That means they have to lose that twice to get kicked out of the tournament. Once you're happy with all this, click create bracket. So make sure you get it right because you can't really go back and change it. Just best to delete it and start over. Create bracket. And now we have 10 cars in the bracket. It appeared on my other screen, so I'm going to slide this over. Here it is. I have two monitors hooked up, so I can have this on one monitor, this on this monitor. I can blow this up too, like this. Okay. So now, now we can start racing. I'm in demo mode, but you'd be doing this with your hardware. But I'm in demo, so it's going to simulate some races. So I just, if it's green, we're good to go. We got racer 2 and racer 1, which matches what race 1 is over here. Start race. Next race. You should probably enter your dial-ins also. So it remembers the last dial-in that racer used. Next race. I'm not going to bother entering the dial-ins for this demo, just to go faster. And so on, and so on. You go to the next round. Let's say this guy's not ready. I'm just going to show you the skip race, what that does. We have racer 1 and Mike selected. If I do skip race, it's racer 2 and David, which is race number 7 here. Start race. Next race. Now I went back to this race. So this skip race is not a permanent skip. It's just delaying that race. And I'll quickly go through the whole thing. You can't really mess up. If you didn't do a race, it will warn you. Okay, click next round, I mean, and so on. And notice in this column here, it shows how many losses you have. So he has 2 losses now, so he'll be out. Next round. Next round. There's also a lot of improvements on this program, such as you can go to the cloud. You can have you can view all your data on the cloud now. So you can use the TrackmateRacing.com cloud, or you can use your local Wi-Fi server cloud. So if I open this, I will see. Okay, I got to close this first. Okay, let me minimize this here. And I can view, let's live race on your phone or wherever. So this can be on your phone actually. And is it updating? Let's see, next round. You could also view the bracket like this on your phone. No more, next round. That was it. And you can also view the logged races. It always shows the last 10, let's see here. Last 6 races, I think it shows. The last 10 races. Okay, so that's all on any computer that has internet access could view this data. So quite a few new things on a new program. It's easier to use, easier to enter names. You got the cloud working for you. Improvements in the pairing, improvements in not racing yourself, or it just does a much better job pairing racers and cars. Also new in this version, well, it's been out for a while, but you can have multiple tournaments running at the same time. So I could select another tournament and that one will pop up. I can turn off tournament mode and just run a race. So now if I'm going to run a race, it's not going to count towards any tournament. When I put it in tournament mode, you'll notice these buttons show up next round because that's part of the tournament. Everything in blue is tournament related. When I turn it off, they disappear. I'm not in tournament mode. This is where you select your tree if you're not in tournament mode. You'll notice that in bracket settings, you no longer see all those settings about double elimination or buyback. Like I explained before, you have to go to bracket, go here. Now you see the settings. That will be tied to that particular bracket. Hope this helps. I'm Dan from TrackMate Racing. For more info, visit the TrackmateRacing.com website.